Christian, thank you very much for the invitation to EMO 2019 on the Bruker Alicona stand. Could you tell me a little bit about what you're showing here and whether you've got any new products?
Yeah, hi Mark, it's very nice that you're here again. We are with Bruker Alicona. We are showing, as every year, high precision metrology, mainly for dimensional metrology in precision manufacturing. So this is our key topic we are doing since years. And now with taking over of Alicona into the Bruker group, we are the business unit which is taking care to bring this metrology, this industrial metrology, into this group.
So, talking about new products, I see that you've got a new cobot system. What's that actually proving, and what's that actually showing at EMO 2019?
Yeah, the cobot system is mainly for this to measuring in high precision small features on big parts. So this we are using, for example, in the aerospace industry to measuring high critical areas in the engine part, and so therefore we use this.
With Bruker Alicona, I see that you're selling very high-end precision measurement inspection products here, but from a global point of view, what are the markets that you're really pushing into, Christian?
I think it's everywhere where we have high precision manufacturing, and I think this is very strong drivers at the moment. I think it's aerospace for us as well. We see a lot of potential in the medical field for implants of different parts in the body. So there's a lot of potential for us, what we see now, and therefore we also have developed this other product, the micro CMM, which is going exactly in this field to get much more precision into our products.
And when you look at the portfolio of products, if engineers maybe not know Bruker Alicona and what you actually show, I know you do a lot of exhibitions, but what's the best way to actually see your products in line working, or do you take customers to customers that are using products?
Yes, we are doing what we are showing. For example, we show user cases. Also here on the exhibition we show a user case with the micro CMM. So people are always invited to visit us on our global exhibitions which we are attending, and definitely they are also invited to visit us in the headquarters in Austria, in Graz, where we have our showrooms, as well as in different other locations, for example in US, where we have built up a showroom to do live demos, detailed tests on their requirements.
I know you're great innovators of new products from Bruker Alicona, but the future, is it going to be something new coming again?
Yes, I think so. So we have a lot of ideas already what we can do next, and I'm looking forward to welcome you on one of our next exhibitions, and then I will show you what we have.
Exciting times ahead. Thanks very much, Christian.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mark. See you next time. Bye-bye.